Good morning, students. Wish you a happy and prosperous New Year's. Now we are back to continue our study. Okay. Today we discussed about what is animation. Animation. Animation is a visual changes over time wherein the digital images are played one after the other to create a moving effect. The image used in animation can be first created and then displayed in a sequence. This type of animation is known as frame by frame animation. Each small changes in the images created and then displayed in sequence. This method is slow and tedious. It also required lot of time and resources. Means in simple language, animation means movement. First you create a image and then displayed in a sequence known as frame by frame animation. The other simple way to create animation is through keyframe. A keyframe is a frame in which we define a change to an object property. Using keyframe, you need to specify the first position and the last position of the object. The in-between frames are automatically understood and need not to be specified. This effect is known as twinning. Twinning is an action which calculates the number of frames between keyframe and path of the action. This type of animation is known as cell animation. Means a keyframe is a frame in which we define a changes to an object's position. Using keyframe, you specify the first position and the last position of the object, and the in-between frames are automatically understood. For example, you want to create an animation to move a circle left to right. So, you set a first frame and a last frame. In between frames are automatically understood. This effect also known as twinning, and this type of animation known as cell animation. Another type of computer animation is known as kinematics. It is the study of movement and motion as walking man or running leopard. In some animation, we can use an effect known as morphing wherein he image transform into another. Means kinematics means study of movement and motion. For example, walking man or running leopard. You can see in the television advertise that the one face change into another. This type of effect known as morphing.